It's crappy. There's the trees that I cut down in the last video. Everything's flooded. It comes down my hill. Look at this. Oh yeah. I've seen it get almost halfway up that little hill there. Right about here. What a nasty day. Look at it. And right here is where the sub pump. I don't know why my hand looks purple, but where the sub pump comes out right here in this area. Ridiculous. And over there, my neighbor's yard, and all his water drains off into that little crease right here, and his sub pump's up there, so all his water comes down here. And this freaking guy next door, which I can't stand, his water, it's kind of blocked a little bit. I kind of have like a reservoir going on, but his water, you probably see it right about there. Water comes through underneath this general area right here, and that comes out of my yard too. It comes all the way down and joins this, and then of course all the water just comes down off the hill. Can't win. Oh well, see ya.